Yeah. Snap on.
Would you trust this?
No, I wouldn't trust it. No.
Check this out.
Oh no. Oh no.
This is their Epic series. This is like Snap-on's Cadillac right here. Would you stand in here?
No way.
Would you let me stand in here?
No, you get hurt. No, that's too flimsy. Whoa. Now that's a box. Now that's why I'd invest my money in that box.
This is a 4225 RX. Not even has power. It's our starter line of the box. The lowest quality we make. Look at that.
Wow.
230 pounds.
Now you.
Looks good, right?
It's showing the weight.
I mean, what do you think?
Good.
Yeah, it's great.
Daddy.
What would you buy?
Well, I'll buy the Matco.
Go with the Matco.
There it is. Look at that. Door opens, closes.
Yeah, there's a good box. Your money's on the box. Whoa.
There ain't hardly anything in here. Look at this.
Whoa.
Epic.
No way.
They call this their Epic series.
Whoa, no way.
Crazy, huh?
The color might look good, but the strength's not there.
Yeah.
All right.